Hello, welcome to the science class. Today we are going to start our new unit, which is unit number 4. Unit 4, page 75. Name of the unit is Forces and Motion. Forces and Motion. Okay, the new unit Forces and Motion, which is on page 75, unit number 4. Okay, let's discuss. The heading is Forces and Motion. So, firstly, we are going to discuss what is a force. Force, Force, force. Force is a push or pull, okay, of an object. Okay, force is just a push or a pull of an object is called force. You can see in front of the doors in the shops, you can see pull and push. It is called force. Okay, pull or push of an object is called force. This is called pull and this is called push. Okay, what is a force? Force is push or pull of an object is called force. Okay, right. So you got what is a force? What is a force? A push or a pull of an object is called force. Next, we are going to discuss what is motion. 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 Okay. This is pull or push. You can see a man is pulling or pushing. What he is doing? He is pushing. Pushing a box. You can see he is trying to push the box. So he's applying a force. Okay. So you can see a man is pushing a box. This is called force. The force is in the direction. Okay, you can see the object will move to this direction. The force is in direction and the object will move to this direction. Okay, force is just a push, okay, or a pull. Here this man is pushing the box. Okay, when the man is pushing, the object moves, right? The object will move from here to here. The object will move. Okay, when we pushes an object, the object move. Okay, this movement is called motion. Okay, the object moves is called motion. Okay, when force act on an object, you can see we are acting a force. Changes its movement. The box will move from this position to some front. Okay, it will move towards. Controlled by the force. If we are pushing with a high force, it will move speedily. If it pushes just, it will move slowly. It will act accordingly to the forces which we are applied. If we are having large force, the object will move fastly. If we act less force, the object will move only a little. Okay. This movement, when force is applied to an object, the object will tend to move. This movement is called motion. Motion is just a movement. When a force is applied, the object moves. It's called motion. Okay, you got what is force and what is motion. Okay, force is push or pull of an object and the motion is the object move when the force is applied. Okay, that is motion. Next, you can see some forces and motion. You can see this lady is pushing the pile of sand. You can see the sand. She is pushing. She is pushing. Right? She is pushing. We are applying a force. Here you can see this is applying a force. Okay? This is applying a force. This is a pull. She is pulling. Just pulling the armor. Okay, pulling. And this is magnet. You've seen a magnet which attracts the iron pieces. Here you can see this is called a magnet. Magnet attract. Okay, it is also a force. It attracts the iron objects. You've seen a magnet before. Okay, magnet attracts the iron object. It is a force. When someone is sitting under a tree, an apple falls towards the ground. Okay, it is falling towards the down. It is called gravity. Gravity is the force which are it is a force by our earth. Okay, earth force is called the gravity. It is always towards the downward. Okay, that is why apples are going downwards because of gravity in our earth. Okay, you can see another type of force which is called friction. Here it is sliding. It is sliding. We can't apply any force. It is based on friction in the ground. Okay, it is called frictional force by a sliding object. And when an object moves fastly, it is called acceleration. When the car, when we start and we start to accelerate, it is just speeding up. Okay, it is also a force which you are applying to the acceleration pedal. Okay, when we press accelerate pedal, the car will move fastly. Acceleration is just the speed. It is also a type of forces. Okay, today we discussed about forces, motions, and some examples. Okay, that's all. See you in the next class with another topic. Okay, see you. Bye bye.